Okay, so let's start create a new project. We are going to name a project micro steady spoon rice. We are going to remove these two blocks from here. Before we do anything, we're going to add data logger extension. Data logger extension is used when we want to collect, record, and view sensor data over time. It's a powerful block that helps students track and analyze information from the microbit built-in sensor. So here in this project, we are going to measure motion with accelerometer, like when we tilt left and right, tilt forward, backward, moving up and down, something like that. We're going to measure motion. So back to the workspace, I'm going to choose the loop from the toolbox and drag out every 500 millisecond. And here, I wanna log data for every 1 second. So I'm going to choose 1 second here, and I'm going to choose data logger from the toolbox and drag out log data and put it in it. And I want to add data columns for like left and right, forward, backward, and up and down. So I'm going to add this with this plus button here. I'm going to click into, and we're going to get left and right, forward, backward, and up and down. So after that, we're going to add data values. So going to go to input here, going to choose input from toolbox and drag out the acceleration, put it beside the value here, and I'm gonna duplicate it 2 times. X, Y. Okay, then I'm going to click show data simulator so we can see the simulated data, live data here. Data here, and now go back. Now I want to be able to start and stop data collection on a button press. So I'm going to use put the button press, press, regulate it, and press. I'm going to create variable log data. I'm going to put this set log data and button press A, duplicate it, and enter the button press B. And I'm gonna put a conditional statement here. So whenever the data is logged, we'll show the record data. Okay. So and I want a smiley face to show when the data is start logging. So I'm gonna put a smiley face here. Done. So when the data is start logging, it will show the smiley face. So that's it. That's the final code for this micro steady spoon race. So when we finish the race, we can look back who win the race with the steady SM. So go to the microbit here and double click my data. This is the data on your microbit. Click the visual view. From here, we can know who win the race. The steadiest hand, this data. So good luck in your game and see you next time. Bye!